Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. Okay, I put another 2 more coats on this doll here, and I'll probably keep making more of this paint up and make it darker, darker, darker. The first coat was wonderful, second coat was wonderful, third coat got better. This is the 4th coat, and I'll probably do another 2 or 3 yet on this on this until I achieve that color that I'm looking for on this doll. It will get lighter and lighter and lighter, so I got to keep making it darker, 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 adding coats of it on till I get that color that I'm looking for. If you want me to keep making more videos of that, of me making those colors up, I can and will. Not a problem at all. So it's turning out really, really, like, this doll's turning out really cute. And but anyways, I'm going to put it to the back because I got to clean out my I'm done for right now, so I'm going to clean out my airbrush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this here too. So I should be buying some paper cups to make this in. This is not disposable. I want to keep this. So, but anyways, my thing is to get this paint out. That's with my paint thinner. Okay, there we go. And what I do is I take a brush. I just go in there and just start cleaning around. First, get a lot of that paint out of there. Okay. And you want to turn it on and just spraying it out in there. So it's all about your paint thinner, keeping paint thinner in there. And you just want it to run in there until I just run it until I get clear, but right now it's probably a lot of paint going in there. Yeah. Getting there. Yeah, so give me a light yellow. Getting lighter. Oh. One thing about it, you can clean yourself up with it too as you're moving along. Okay. It's getting cleaner and cleaner as I move through this. I grab paper towels and I kind of fold it in such a way, and then I can just start until I get like a clear, and it's getting clearer and clearer. As you can see, I'm not getting any yellow, it's just coming out clear. That means I'm cleaning it out more and more. And there we go. It's all about keeping your paint thinner in there, not letting that harden in there. Okay, now that I see that I'm getting, yeah, that's working really nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice and clean. Yeah. Whew, that's nice and clean. It's even clean on the inside. Wow. That's nice. This is a nice airbrush, and this is just from off of Amazon. I got this one. And just love the thing. Just beautiful. I do take it apart once in a while and I put it back together again and I'll do a thorough clean, but this here is just my cleanup for this here. But I'm not getting anything more, no more yellow. It's all coming up nice and clear. Wow, that's great. Turned out wonderful. Okay. You can tell it's not very noisy at all. Now it's just my basic cleanup around my work area. I'm like a pig when it comes to this stuff. I got stuff everywhere. But I get it cleaned up. So anyways, I just want to show you how I do my cleanup, how I try to get my airbrush when I'm done. I just pour in the thinner. That's why you need a lot of this stuff. Like I go through, when you're airbrushing, it's important to have your thinner and to clean things up properly. You want to make sure that you don't run out of this stuff. That's why I like a backup one, especially if I am airbrushing. I can't be without it. I just cannot be without my thinner. I need it. And this stuff works just beautiful, you know, and as long as you keep your airbrush clean all the time, you won't have a problem with it clogging up and, you know, being destroyed. I've destroyed a couple because I never kept them clean. But as long as I keep them clean like this, I'm fine. This is about my 4th time using it. Never had a problem yet. 4th, 5th time I've done this. So, but it's nice and clean inside. The bowl is clean. I try not to go down too far in here. But I wipe around and yeah, it's looking great. So anyways, I hope you like what you see here. Nice little airbrush system. And I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. Like I said, I'm not an expert at this. Now I got to clean this up here. So, but you know something, all in a day's work. That's the way I look at it, you know. And love it. Just love how that turned out. And more to come. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. And more of this wonderful work to come yet. And working on the EffanBee babies here. Let me turn around and let's get him and let's see how he's looking here. Isn't he turning, the hair color's getting deeper, darker, nice looking. You know, the first coat was really light, but as each coat goes on, it's getting nice and darker and darker. Pretty soon it'll be the color I want it to be. So I'm really happy with it. Good choice. So anyways, yeah, I probably will put on, I think, looking at this now, as it gets, it's drying, I probably can see about another 3 to 4 air spraying. If you want to see it, let me know down below, and I'll video it again. And if my son's around, or I'll just try to aim it up high, the camera, so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be a little bit more camera aware, more camera aware of what you're seeing the next time. Maybe that's better. And better choice of words. But anyways, I love it. Love it, love it. So it's coming along really nice, this doll. I'm really happy with what I'm seeing here and how nice it's turning out. So, all right, thanks for joining me. More to come. Bye-bye.